You already heard me talk about it a little bit. Ape is live in alpha. It needs your feedback. It needs you to test it out. I want to bring up on the stage our guy, Defi Racer.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Really excited to be here to, share this with you guys. If you don't follow our Twitter, make sure you follow our Twitter. We actually just announced ape.jup.ag. What we realized is that there is another segment in crypto, right? There are the degens as well as the pro users who wants more data. We want to see data on token itself, right? There are so many tokens out there in Solana. There are a lot of tokens that, have mint authority, freeze authority. So if you want to see a lot of more of this data, but ultimately our key focus is about safety. With ape.jup.ag, our goal is to make it as safe as possible. And the way we do it is jup.ag is an interface to Jupiter Vault, right? So what you are actually using is a smart contract wallet. So your funds are secured in that manner. There is no private keys that we store on our servers. This is what ape.jup.ag looks like right now. So you can discover, 100 of the newest tokens. If you click on, say, one of them, you will see more data about the token. Like you can see whether there is a freeze authority or mint authority. On top of that, we integrated with rugcheck.xyz. Fantastic platform. Just want to give a shout out to them. You can see more details about the token itself, like if there are low liquidity or low amount, for example here, right? You can see all of that there. And buying a token, if you want to ape into a token, is extremely fast. It's just one click, right? So you don't need your Web3 wallet, like you don't need Phantom, you don't need Solflare to interact to buy any token essentially. So that's ape.jup.ag, right? Another feature that I want to highlight is mobile. We want it to be mobile first. So let's say you are on your desktop right now. You will find this little icon here, like a QR icon. If you click on it, you'll see a QR code. Just take out your phone, scan it, and you'll be able to use the same vault on your phone seamlessly. You just have to key in the same password that you use to initialize your vault, and that's it. So that's one feature. Also want to show a little teaser of what's to come. Probably early next week, we'll have this live, but I want to talk about DEX Screener. I think this is one of the favorite hunting ground for a lot of meme coin traders. If you go on Solana, there are a lot of ways for you to discover new tokens and so on and so forth. So let's say you're here and you found a token that you're interested to buy. So this is what we're about to launch, a Chrome extension. This Chrome extension is connected to your Jupiter Vault, right? So it's part of Jupiter Ape, and you just gotta key in my password. And if I'm on DEX Screener, it will automatically discover what token you're looking at. So if I go to another token, it automatically knows what you're looking at. Just like ape.jup.ag, you'll be able to discover token data, right? As well as rugcheck information. And if you want to buy, it's just one click. That's how it works. This is what we'll be launching soon. Go ahead and give this a try. We are shipping this really fast. It's an alpha stage. There are things that aren't working extremely well. We are happy to hear your feedback. But if you're using it, I'm glad you are an early adopter. I just want to congratulate you for being that crazy and trying crazy things out so early on. We'll release more documentation on security model. How do we keep you safe? Boring but important details. I'm not sure how many people care, but if you do, stick around for that.
Pretty exciting stuff here, folks. I am very excited to see this product evolve over time. Obviously, again, just can't stress this enough. It's the alpha release. It's the first time it's out. The only way it gets better is with your feedback. So do jump into Discord after you've tried it out. All you need to do, deposit some SOL into that vault. It'll be secure, and then you can start to ape away.